What are you doing? Dig up the potatoes. What are they doing?
They are digging up the potatoes.
Feed the birds. What are they doing?
They are feeding the birds.
Pick the raspberries. What is she doing?
She is picking the raspberries.
Plant the seeds. What is she doing?
She is planting the seeds.
Wash the lettuces. What are you doing?
I am washing the lettuces.
Water the roses. What is she doing?
She is watering the roses.
One more time. Dig up the potatoes. Feed the birds. Pick the raspberries. Plant the seeds. Wash the lettuces. Water the roses. Well done. See you soon in the next video.